Hello teachers, parents, and kids. Welcome to WonderKids Academy. How your brain works like a super smart computer. Your brain is the most powerful thing you own. It is faster than any computer, smarter than any phone, and more creative than any machine ever built. Every single thing you do, talking, walking, laughing, thinking, and even dreaming, starts inside your brain. Inside your head is a soft, wrinkly organ that looks like a giant walnut. It only weighs about 3 pounds, but it controls everything your body does. Your brain is made up of billions of tiny nerve cells called neurons. These neurons send messages to each other all the time, using electrical signals that travel faster than lightning. Please take a second to like our video. This helps our algorithm so that other boys and girls can learn the fun things that you are watching also. Now back to our video. When you touch something, see something, or hear a sound, your brain receives that information through your senses. It then figures out what that information means and what to do next. If you touch something hot, your brain instantly tells your hand to move away. If you smell something delicious, your brain tells your mouth to water and your stomach to get ready for food. You can think of your brain as a super smart control center. It collects data from the world around you, processes it, and sends instructions to your body, all in less than a second. Computers do something similar, but your brain is far more powerful because it can feel, imagine, and learn. Let's take a closer look at how this amazing system works. At the very top of your brain is the cerebrum. This is the biggest part, and it helps you think, plan, remember, and make decisions. When you solve a puzzle, remember a story, or imagine a new idea, your cerebrum is hard at work. It is like the main processor that handles all your thoughts and ideas. The back part of your brain is called the cerebellum. It helps you move smoothly and stay balanced. When you run, dance, or ride a bike, your cerebellum is quietly adjusting every movement so you do not fall over. It works like an automatic system that keeps everything running perfectly, even without you noticing. At the base of your brain is the brain stem. This part controls things you do not even have to think about, like breathing, your heartbeat, and blinking your eyes. Imagine if you had to remember to breathe every few seconds. You would never get anything done. Thankfully, your brain stem takes care of those jobs for you. Your brain also has two halves, called hemispheres. The left side helps you with logic, math, and language. The right side is more creative, helping you imagine, draw, or make music. The two sides are connected by a bridge of nerves called the corpus callosum. It allows both sides to share information, working together as one amazing team. Now let's talk about how your brain remembers things. Every time you learn something new, your brain creates new connections between neurons. The more you practice or review, the stronger those connections become. It is like building a road. The more you travel on it, the smoother and faster it gets. When you stop using that road, it begins to fade away. That is why practice really does make perfect. Your brain also has different types of memory. Short-term memory is what you use to remember something for a little while, like a phone number or a quick instruction. Long-term memory is where you store things for days, months, or even years, like your favorite song or the rules of a game. Your brain decides which memories to keep and which ones to let go, depending on how important they are to you. Your senses, sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, are your brain's way of collecting data from the world. Your eyes send pictures, your ears send sounds, your nose sends smells, and your skin sends feelings. Your brain puts all this information together to understand what is happening around you. When you see your best friend and hear them laugh, your brain quickly connects those signals so you know exactly who they are. But your brain is not just a machine that processes data. It can also think and feel. It can imagine things that do not exist yet, like a story, a dream, or an invention. It can make you laugh, cry, and love. No computer can do that. Your brain uses thoughts, emotions, and experiences to help you make choices and understand the world in a personal way. Your brain also learns from mistakes. When something goes wrong, your brain does not give up, it adjusts and tries again. Every time you make a mistake and fix it, your brain builds stronger pathways. That is called learning, and it is one of the brain's greatest powers. Even when you sleep, your brain is still working. It organizes memories, recharges energy, and gets your body ready for the next day. That is why getting enough rest is so important. It gives your brain time to repair itself and store everything you learned during the day. Your brain also needs fuel to work well. It gets energy from the food you eat and oxygen from the air you breathe. Healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts help your brain stay sharp and focused. Water keeps it hydrated, and sleep keeps it strong. When your brain is well fed and well rested, it can do anything, learn faster, think clearer, and stay happy. Your brain changes and grows every day. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, which means your brain can rewire itself when you learn something new or have new experiences. Every time you read, explore, or try something new, your brain builds new connections. That means your brain is always growing, no matter how old you are. So yes, your brain works like a computer, but it is so much more. It can create, imagine, and feel. It can solve problems that machines cannot. It can learn from mistakes and dream about the future. Your brain is your greatest superpower, and the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Take care of it by thinking positive thoughts, eating healthy food, sleeping well, and always staying curious. The more you explore and learn, the more powerful your brain will be. Remember, you are carrying the smartest computer in the world inside your head, and it is completely unique because it belongs only to you. Thank you for watching this Wonder Kids Academy video, and I hope you all have a happy and healthy day. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel for more fun and educational videos designed especially for preschoolers and young kids. And see you in our next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos like this. Please also visit us at www.wonderkidsacademy.info and see more of what we are all about. Thanks again for watching our video.